In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Midjourney promo code. If you've been looking to save a bit on your subscription, this walkthrough will show you a quick and reliable way to find current offers and pick the one that suits you best. First, open your preferred web browser and head to your search engine. In the search bar, type Midjourney promo code and hit enter. Keep the query simple. You're aiming to surface trusted coupon aggregators rather than random blogs. As the results appear, take a moment to scan the titles and snippets. Offers that mention the current month or note they were recently updated are usually more promising. Also, be cautious of results that look overly sensational or ask for personal details before showing anything. Legitimate listings will let you view an offer without unnecessary hoops. From the results page, click on the Grab On link. Grab On is a well-known coupon and deals site, and it often curates a dedicated page for active promotions. When the page opens, you'll typically see a set of Midjourney offers arranged as cards or tiles. Some may be labeled as coupons, where a specific code is displayed after you open the offer, while others might be marked as deals, which are more general promotions explained on the page. Here, choose a Midjourney promo code that aligns with what you need. Open the offer to view its full details. This is the moment to read the fine print. Check the validity dates so you're not looking at something that has already expired. Confirm which subscription plans it applies to, and note any minimum purchase amounts or regional limitations. If the page shows when the offer was last verified, favor the most recent ones to increase your chances of success. It's also worth noting the difference between a percentage discount and a fixed amount reduction so you can decide which provides better value for your specific plan. If you encounter pop-ups asking you to sign up, you can simply close them. Accessing the details of a promo code shouldn't require sharing sensitive information. When you've identified the code that fits your situation and reviewed its terms, you've completed the selection process. Having clarity on the conditions now will save you time later and reduce the risk of surprises. To recap, you searched for Midjourney promo code, opened the Grab On link from the results, and selected the most suitable offer by reviewing its details and freshness. That's all you need to confidently find and choose a Midjourney promo code.